sometime this month. NAACP leaders say these meetings are important to have in order to push for change. Fox 4's Sandra Rodriguez was there today. She shows us how they plan to create a safer community for everyone.
Well, last week, the Lee County NAACP met with local law enforcement leaders to discuss the national NAACP's 12-step campaign that they believe will lead to a more just system. But today's meeting was more about getting answers to specific questions. Today, the Lee County NAACP brought law enforcement leaders together to discuss policies in place that protect all citizens.
We're listening to the NAACP. We're listening to everyone that wants to bring us these thoughts and ideas.
Law enforcement leaders answering a series of questions as part of the NAACP's 12-step campaign, including the use of knee holds.
There is no authorized carotid chokeholds, and we do not have a knee hold of any sort.
And the use of no-knock warrants, something State Attorney AMIRA Fox says are not easy to get.
And we found that our law enforcement in our circuit is much more inclined and usually does use a knock and announce.
Another question was the use of citizen review boards to hold officers accountable of misconduct. LCSO says they have a blue team in charge of reviewing those cases.
Every single use of force is documented, date, time stamped. It gets reviewed at every level.
Sheriff MARCENO says if they do find a deputy is going against policies, they address it immediately and transparently.
We had a use of force not too long ago where one of my deputies used force while somebody was handcuffed. It immediately was brought to our attention. We investigated it, and immediately that officer was removed from service.
The Lee County NAACP does give credit to local law enforcement agencies for how they keep the community safe, but say discussing these 12 steps is part of being proactive and not reactive.
Everyone that has any contact with the citizens of this area, we want to touch base with them, ensure that the voices of the citizens are being heard.
Sheriff MARCENO says since speaking with Lee County NAACP, his office has decided to add conversations of cultural diversity in their block trainings. Next week, the Lee County NAACP does plan to meet with Fort Myers and Cape Coral police departments. In Fort Myers, Sandra Rodriguez, Fox 4 in your corner.